for the commercial harvesters in the town. It's not us, it's a town project, but we're also sharing this space with them. So right underneath my feet are 250,000 cohogs. That alone will probably support 1 to 2, if they all make it to market size, probably a couple fishermen for a year. And this is our kind of first experiment at it. Basically the way it works is we have, there's a pump, you can kind of hear it, it's an electric pump. It's pumping water out of this trough, this silo in the middle here. And so it's sucking water out. And then in here, we've got these bins that, as the water gets sucked out, the water will come up through the bottom of these bins. And in these green bags here, we've got 250,000 baby cohogs. And so those will get brought up to size, probably, ideally 15 millimeters across, so probably 1 millimeter across right now. But then we're gonna spread them on the flats for the wild harvesters to harvest. So, what hatchery? This is Muscungus. Yeah, this is Muscungus. I can pull them out momentarily so we can take a look at what we have. Who's cleaning them? Yeah. The task, if you look very closely, you can see that's probably half of that 250,000 at 1 millimeter cost. We're splitting the work between volunteers from the wild harvesters. This has to be cleaned a couple times a week, maybe even more as the growth starts to pick up. But the ping pong balls provide a little bit of space between the cohog and the bag, and so I want Sam to see this too. Yeah. And then I think there's actually some town staff now, an intern that's going to help with this project too. But yeah, and as these grow, they'll actually end up taking up all of these. There's 8 of these silos, these bins here. As they grow, they'll be taking up the entirety, all of that acre.
How long do you project it will take them to get to that point?
I think by the fall, yeah, they'll be big enough where we'll need to spread them out. And they go in these bins that you see here, and they'll have this mesh that they sit on top, and the water will come up through and feed them.
And Max, when are they supposed to get seeded?
I think the plan is either this fall or in the spring. Depends on how big we can get them.
I was wondering if they're going to overwinter here. Or it's better to overwinter in the
So let's all hop aboard here. I don't want to keep people baking in the sun. If we can get a little movement, that would be great. I can help folks board.